this is how trading view looks like. Okay, this is how trading view looks like. You can see XAU USD. This is gold. This is how the chart of gold looks like. This is gold. This is gold. This is gold, and you can see that the price. This is trading view. It has a lot of instrument here too. It has instrument. These are, if you click on this one now, you see different kind of trend lines, different kind of angular lines. You have the trend line, you have the ray, you have the information line, you have the extended line, you have triangle, you have the horizontal line. You have here now. I only use a few of those ones. Those ones that I start are the one I use. You start like this. I use trend line. I use ray. Then I use horizontal line, this one. I use this horizontal ray too. Then I use this vertical line. Okay, you can see that all these one I start, they're all at the top here. They're all at the top here. They're all they're all here, because you, when you start them, it comes to this other side. Okay, so that I can quickly access them and pick them to you. So if you draw a trend line function like this, okay, it's a little bit different from ray, from this ray, this ray trend line, which is very interesting. All you need to do is, when you click on it, just pick your first and the second point. Just pick your point one and then take it to point two. Then it just draws it like that and extend it into the infinite future. It has no end. It draws into the infinite future. Okay, and then you have here now, when you come to this place, you have a Fibonacci retracement. You have your, all these one will be teaching them one by one, but you don't really need to know all of them. Usually we only pay attention to a very few of them, and the one that you need. For example, you're going to be needing this is how to click your this is your buy positions. If I click long position, short position, to go long means to buy, to go short means to sell. You can see I asterisk these two, and they are all here now. This buy is here, the long position is buy is here. So when I click somewhere like this now, it gives you something like this. It gives you something like this. That means, okay, put my stop loss, my take profit is usually here. But all of this I'm going to be teaching you in the future. I'm just trying to expose you to the trading view. I use this instrument too very, very well. Okay, I use it to draw. You draw, then you draw, then you draw. Market is making higher high and higher lows. Don't worry, we're going to still going to get there. So that's how this is. This one is for text. You can also text. You can type uppicked uppicked forex class February 2026. It's amazing. It's amazing. So these are that's that about that. Then let me wipe the you know let me clear all of them. Then you have this one. You can put emoji. You can put emoji. You can put it on your chart. You can can do something like this, and all of them like that. So it's very interesting. Okay, so but then these are instruments that are tradable. Instruments that are tradable. You can see, like I told you the other time, we have the stocks, we have the front, we have the future, you have the forex, you have the crypto, you have the indices, you have the bonds. I've explained stock, I've explained future, I've explained forex, I've explained crypto, I've explained indices, I've explained bonds. Okay, and options. I don't think I explained options to you. So you have gold now. You can see XAUSD. It also means gold. It also means gold. So let's type XAGUSD. XAGUSD. That is supposed to give us silver. XAGUSD. That's supposed to give us silver. That silver is under commodities. Under commodities. You can see commodities is written here now. Under commodities, is written there. Commodity, commodity, commodity. Silver is under commodities now. So here now so you can see under currency pair. You can see EURUSD, Euro USD. You can see Euro USD here now. Okay, it's under forex. Forex CFD. You have euro with different brokers. If you click like this, if you click this one now, this is Euro USD. Okay, this is Euro USD. These are the charts look like. They all represented in candles. Okay, then we have you can say, oh, GBP USD. GBP USD is all here. Okay, you click any of them, it changes to the chart. The chart looks like this. Is amazing, is remarkable. Okay, okay, so the chart looks like this. All of these we're still going to be studying in the course of our training. So I'm just trying to expose you to how this thing works. And then you have, okay, under minor, under stocks. The other time I was talking about Apple, Apple. What does Apple look like? You can see AAPL, like I showed you the other time. AAPL, you have Apple here. If you click Apple here, see how the chart of Apple looks like. You know, these are the chart of Apple looks like. Okay, these are the chart looks like. Looks like. These are the chart looks like. I'm trying to zoom it. I'm trying to zoom it for you. I'm trying to zoom it. Okay, these are the chart looks like. Apple. Apple. This is under stocks. It's interesting to trade it too. Very, very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting to trade, and you will love it. You will love it. Okay, so this is stocks, and then we also have the indices. Okay, under stock too. I told you Tesla too. I told you Tesla. You have Tesla here. See how it looks like. You have Tesla, then you have that's how Tesla looks like. Then you have Nasdaq, you have Nasdaq, you have Nasdaq like this. USA 100, US Tech is called US 100. Okay, you have Nasdaq index. It looks like this. Then you have USA 30. It's called USA 30. USA 30. Okay, US. Some broker write it as US 30. Some broker write it as US 30. So this is it. Dow Jones. It is the same thing. Dow Jones. You click on it like this. That is in indices for you. So under that indices, so apart from US 30 and US 100, Nasdaq is US 100. You also have S&P 500. S&P 500, S&P, S, S and P 500. You can see now. You can see it's there. You click on it. That is S&P 500. Then we have minor currency pairs. Minor currency pair, like I showed you before, we have the EURGBP. Minor currency pairs are the currencies that do not have USD, at all. Major currency pair must have USD. From the charts I showed you the other time in the last class, you will see that all the major currency pairs I showed you have USD in them. You have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, NZD USD, AUD USD. All of them have USD. But when you have minor currency pairs, it means that USD is not in them. USD, there's no mingling with USD. GBP JPY. All of them are very remarkable. In fact, this currency pair is one of the most traded currency pair. I know traders in Nigeria that enjoy, even all over the world. I know guys all over the world who enjoy GJ. They call it GJ. When you see a forex trader saying GJ, this is what they're talking about. They mean GBP JPY, GBP JPY, GJ. They call it GJ. GJ. Those are the nickname or the slang way of calling this thing. Like somebody say UJ, that's USD JPY, or GBP USD. That's how people, you call these commodities, call this instrument, in slangs. And so Yeah, we also talked about the crypto, under crypto here, here we have crypto. If you click on crypto here, you have a lot of options. You have BTC, USD, BTC, BTC USD. Okay, under crypto, you have BTC USD. If you click on it, these are the chart of BTC USD look like. Remarkable, remarkable. I'm telling you, it's amazing. You can see here now. You can see here that is nice to trade. Okay, I'm going to explain to you how to trade, but I want you to to familiarize yourself with all of these instruments that are tradable in the market. You also have ETH That's Ethereum. That's Ethereum. Ethereum. You see Ethereum versus US dollars. Ethereum is also, I think, is one of the most traded cryptos. You know, maybe after BTC, is one of the most traded cryptocurrencies all over the world. So Ethereum. Then we also have, like I was saying, I don't know if this guy has Solana, SOLUSD. Is it there? Is it there? Yeah, it's there. Solana is there. That's my guy. That's my guy. I spent some months trading this crypto. Sometimes I think 2 years ago, I traded this. 2 years ago. I remember when I moved to another house. I moved to my new house. For that first few months, I moved to that because I was exposed to it when I moved to my new house, and then I traded it for a while. I traded it for like 2 months that time, and it was very, very interesting. It also obeys price action and make it easy to trade and to make profit. So we have the treasury bill too. We have the treasury bill, and where is the treasury bill here now? Okay, government bonds and the like. So, and I think that another thing I want to show you. Let me shift to derive trading view. See something like this. So we're going to be trading deriv too. Under deriv, you have a different set of instrument entirely. This is where we spend most of our time for trading. I started by trading deriv like 247, as in 247. Even on Sunday after church, as you are getting back from church, you are looking for entries on deriv, and this is remarkable. So we have them here very plenty. Let me begin by showing you volatility 75, volatility, volatility 75. This is one of the volatility 75. What happened? Yeah, the 75 is here. This is how it looks like. It's amazing. It's amazing. I told you this is one of the. In fact, I traded this thing like 2 days ago, and I still make money because now this market is on bullish trend, but the pullback is strong. The pullback is more than 50%. Pullback, you can see up, then it pulls back. This pullback is more than 50%. Then it went up, see this pullback. Then it went up again, see this pullback. So the strategy I use to trade when the pullback is strong, they're different from when the pullback is not strong. For example, if you look at it, if you look at the previous movement, the pullback were not as strong as they are currently. Look at it. Look at it here now. In the past, look at it in the past. Just couple of days back, the pullback were not like that. We're not like how they are now. So you have to see strategy when the pullback is getting stronger, is beyond 50%, but the market is largely ranging. The direction is not so sharp. And then so this is the really synthetic indices. Then we have volatility 100, volatility 100, which is one of the instruments I trade very well, but I think recently it has started ranging. So we also have crash and boom. Crash and boom. You will love these guys. Crash 1000, crash 500. These other crash just came around. Crash 900, crash 600, crash 300. There's nobody who started trading deriv in my days when we started trading that does not know crash 1000, crash 500. Then we have the boom. We have the boom. These are the instruments that make my student the most money because they can trade it anytime. Some of them will go to class in the morning, and by the time they are coming back, they can just resort back to there and say, where can I have a signal just for 2 hours straight before I go to class to go and study. So we have boom 1000, boom, boom 500. All these one are also new to 900, 600, 300. Then we also have We also have a step index. Boy, guy, I love step index. Especially this step index 200. I still trade this step index 200 this week. This week I'm talking to you. Step index 200. In fact, I've fallen in love with step index 200 in the recent time, always more than anything else. I'm telling you, because little time like this, you're already in massive profit. Just little time, just little time, little time, just little time. I'm telling you. So you can see this is step index 200. We also have um, other step indexes. Step index, the step index itself. I remember years ago, I have students that by the time, and that's what I was telling you the other time. I remember years back, I have students that after teaching them, they just find their own step, their own instrument. I remember a lady, one special lady like that. I took them in a physical class for like I think for 3 days, 3 days, and in fact she traveled from another state to come and attend that training. The training was free too. It's been a couple of years, and then she got back home and then she fell in love with step index. A step index. There's an instrument called step index itself. Just step index. Step index. Just step index. Just step index. No 100, no 200, nothing. Just step index. Okay, so this is it. You have step index. This is called step index. Why is step index 100? So invariably, she just fell in love with that step index and it was fun. So step index, the one I trade the most are 200 and 300, especially this 200. Then we have jump. We have jump. We also have jump. We have a lot of them like that. We have jump, jump 10, jump 50, jump 25, jump 75, jump 100. All of them like that. There are so many that, and the Reef market runs 24 hours of a day. It runs on Sunday, runs on Monday, runs on Friday, runs on Saturday, runs every day of the week. And it's very interesting, honestly, very, very interesting. I'm going to be exposing you to all of them because as a student, you should be able to trade derivative synthetic indices and make money consistently to cater for your basic need in school as a student. I've had such testimony before, so it's possible for me to repeat it on you. So these are the instruments that are available to trade, and then I need to get familiarized with all these instruments. These are candlestick. The red one is a selling. The blue one is buying. Like that, or the green one is buying, and like that, like that, like that. So I want to end this class here.